Hello everyone, my name is Sindhu from East West College of Engineering. I am here to explain about my technical seminar topic. My technical seminar topic name is Wireless Notice Board based on Arduino and GSM technology. Here are the contents I am going to explain about. Abstract. With advancing technology nowadays, the wireless communication is proving its importance in each and every field of today's generation. This paper deals with the use of one such wireless technology known as GSM, is nothing but global system for mobile communication for controlling notice board using Arduino Nano. As we all know that notice boards are one of the basic thing in any organization or public places like hospitals, bus stations, railway station, etc. It is time consuming to manually write down every now and then. The main to overcome this problem, we implement the digital display system using GSM technology and Arduino Nano. The key objective of this project is to develop a notice board that receives and display messages from an authenticated user from anywhere in the world using GSM technology. Thus, the authentic user can send messages from any corner of the world to be displayed on the notice board using GSM technology. The proposed system is a combination of hardware as well as software. The hardware module consists of GSM module, Arduino Nano LCD. The software module constitutes of Arduino IDE software and few add commands. The next is introduction. Arduino Nano is used to control the whole process. As we know that Arduino Nano is used to control the whole process. As we know, Arduino Nano is an open platform which is easy to use both hardware as well as software. Here the GSM technology is a wireless data transfer for quick display of messages in real time. GSM modem understands only modem commands with every command line starting with at or at, hence name at command. Various at commands are used to display the messages onto the LED display board. Multiple users can update notices by sending SMS with passwords. Here is the block diagram of wireless notice board using GSM technology. It consists of a mobile, GSM model, Arduino Nano and a 20x4 LCD display. Mobile is used to send the message from an authenticated user, and GSM model is used to receive the message and send that message to the Arduino Nano. Here Arduino Nano plays a major role in this whole process, and LCD is used to display the received SMS. From authenticated user, that is mobile, message is sent and the GSM model receives that message where the SIM is inserted in that GSM model, and that message is retrieved by the Arduino Nano and sent and converted into the human readable message and sent it to the LCD, where LCD is used to display the message. Here we used 20x4 LCD and its capacity is to display 20 characters. Next, this is the GSM modem. Here we are using SIM900A modem. This is the circuit description, Arduino board, LCD and GSM. Methodology. When it comes to methodology, in the proposed project, Arduino Nano is used to control the whole process. As I said before, the GSM model consists of SIM card of some number. Let's say that if the message is sent from authenticated mobile, if GSM responds okay, then it is working good. Otherwise, it will respond with error. The message transmitted by any number to this number is received and saved in the memory of the SIM card that is present in the GSM model. The model works with AT commands. AT commands are nothing but instruction used to control modem. There are two types of AT commands, basic AT commands and extended AT commands. Basic AT commands start with plus commands, and extended AT commands start with plus CMGS is nothing CMGS plus CMGD, etc. Here are the few AT commands. AT commands used to control modems. That is, at, as I said before, at plus CMGD is nothing but extended AT commands. At plus CMGR is used to read SMS, and at plus CMGS is used to send SMS, etc. Advantages. So advantages of this GSM modem is, as it is a wireless transmission system, it has very less errors and needs less maintenance. Faster means of transferring information. Long range, as though any authenticated user can send message from anywhere in the world. Eliminates use of printers. No printing and photocopying except costs, thus saves time, energy, and finally user friendly. Disadvantage: when there is no network problem, when there is a network problem, GSM does not work, so the whole process gets stuck. And application: this wireless notice board is used in bus stations, railway stations, as we see in our daily day-to-day use, day-to-day life, and any public utility places like parks, hospitals, etc. And it can also be used in educational institution and organization. So final conclusion is, the display boards are one of the major communication medium for mass media. Local language can be added as a variation in this project. It is reliable, authenticated, and user-friendly display system. It fills the role of conventional and old notice boards that requires papers to write the messages. It is time consuming and tedious work has been replaced by wireless digital display board. From small institution to big organization, the digital notice board is gaining popularity. Future scope of this technology is, since the proposed system can display only one message at a time, another very useful and significant improvement can be done by using higher end microcontrollers and extended secondary memories, so that it can display more than one message at the same time. Thank you. These are the references I have gone through. Thank you.